Yeah, this is ERP. ERPs in the so many ERPs in the market. Okay, so one of the this actually ERP. What is the ERP? Yeah, ERP integrates all departments and functions across the organization into a single system. Okay, and so that the employees or managers can make an enterprise-wide decision by viewing the enterprise-wide information of all business operations. All the business operations means here all the departments like human resources, sales department, production, manufacturing, CRM, SRM, all the departments to be integrated through these ERPs. Okay. There are so many ERPs in the market, already available, nearly 70 ERPs are there. But apart from that, all the ERPs aim is only one, that is integrate all the departments into single system. Here, these are the departments having the functions here, so that we can see the information, and we are using one server, so that the information will be stored in one database, and you can go for output from the single system. Okay, because here is expanded efforts into integration, marketing, finance, manufacturing, and human resources into single system. And by using this ERP, we can see this standard record keeping and permits information sharing across the organization. Okay, this is the main ERP is A. Okay, now some of the ERPs are available in the market, and using these ERPs, there are some advantages. There, the single integrated software system is there, and single database we are using here, and information sharing and communicating the same, and automating the customer orders and taking, and single tracking system will be there. This is the ERP. Okay, SAP is also one kind of ERP. Okay, ERPs in the market. There are so many ERPs in the market. Apart from that, this SAP also is one of the ERPs. Yeah, first one is SAP, which is having the nearly 60% in the market share, and it is a very user-friendly, and it is a date-driven, and it is a screen-driven. Okay, SAP is one. And second one, the PeopleSoft. Now we can the part of the Arkle, and Arkle apps is there, and BAN, and JD Edwards, and Navision, FMG Pro, IFS, and Lawson, and Origin. And latest one is in the market, that is Microsoft Dynamics, the product of Microsoft. Okay. These are some of the ERPs are available in the market. Apart from that, what is the ERP and what is the nature of ERPs in the market? Here, this is 60% SAP has already occupied, and it has been implemented nearly in 120 countries, this ERP. Okay, actually what is the SAP? You come across the SAP. The SAP is a system application products in database. Here, the SAP is also integrated all the department functions across the organization into a single system, and it can serve all those different department particular needs, so that the employees can make an enterprise-wide decision by viewing the enterprise-wide information. This ERP is a suits for small and middle and larger scale companies. And what is the SAP? SAP is system applications and products in database. This S stands for system, A stands for applications, and this products into one database. Here we are using one single database system and single integrated software system here, so that we can integrate all the departments across the company. This ERP was introduced by 5 IBM employees. They were working in the IBM, and they resigned to their job, and they introduced this SAP in the 1972. Now this is a year 2012. Okay, we have nearly 40 years experience in the market, so that no other ERPs having this much of lengthy experience in the market. So that this is the world's largest selling product, and we are implementing this SAP into 120 countries. Out of there are 214 countries are there, I think. Apart from that, nearly 120 countries this SAP was implemented. Okay, there are worldwide customers are there and worldwide partners are there, and nearly 25 specific industries of business solutions are there. Okay. Yeah, regarding SAP, this SAP history here, this was introduced by 5 IBM employees in 1971, and it was developed by Arbeit system. The R stands for real time. Real time, one stands for one server. We are using one server at that time in 1972. That's why you can say this one-tier system, real-time one-tier system. And now we are using the same in the 1992 onwards, Arbeit system. The Arbeit means real-time three-tier system, because we are using here 3 separate servers to store the information in the database. Okay. Here, what is this Arbeit system? You can see the Arbeit system here. Yeah, here is the Arbeit system. Here one server for the database, one server for application server, and one is a presentation server. That's why you can use these servers to store the huge information into database. And also we can go for applications. Okay, here applications, and so that you can transfer the information or applications to this database or database to presentation server. This is a one server, this is a one server, this is a one server. 3 servers are using here, and these are the real-time scenarios. That's why you can say this is Arbeit system. This is a landscape. This is a landscape of servers. Okay. That's why you can say this is a Arbeit system. That's why SAP is Arbeit system. Yeah. There are versions are there in the SAP. There are so many versions are there, but latest version you are using here ECC6. ECC means Enterprise Central Component 6.0 is the latest version we are using, and also we are teaching on the same. Okay. Yeah. How to integrate the departments here? We have here above, that is the whole technical language of SAP, where you can develop the screens and other this thing, and you can integrate all the departments like this: SD, MM, PP, QM, RM, HR, okay, and FICO and other departments into integrator software is there. Okay. Yeah. What are the main features of this? We have this SAP into multi-currency entities. If you are going to implement this SAP into any company, any country, that is already this legal entities are already developed by the SAP AG Development Center. That each country has one development company of SAP owned company. That is, they will develop all the integrated legal entities out there. And before you are taking this software, already they will implement what are the legal entities and statutory provisions of that country. And this SAP has in 14 languages. You can see in 14 languages the SAP, and so that we can implement the SAP in the particular language, and also you can get the payslip in your own language. And the multi-currency system. If you are implementing your project in US, automatically you can log on to the USD dollar system. If you are implementing the this SAP in India, you can automatically will get the rupee, Indian rupee, and UK and everywhere we have separate currency for this each and every country. And also the fiscal year different fiscal variant. It is a financial term. You can maintain your accounts from the April to March, or like in India. Otherwise, in US you are maintaining the accounts from the January to December. Those different fiscal financial systems actually can be taken from this software. Okay, this SAP is a global supported implementation and scalability and modularity and user friendly also this is, and the screen driven, date driven programs. You need not to write any program like C, C++, and other languages. This SAP has only screens. This SAP HR is Human Resource Management, and so that you can run the payroll of that company fast than the other, comparing the other ERPs. Okay, some of the modules are available here: financial module, controlling module, material management, sales management, production planning, and plant maintenance, quality maintenance, project systems, and human resources. Now I'm SAP HR faculty, and I will explain what are the important contents in the human resource management. Okay, this is the integration part. We can also see I said that in the application of the software can see by the information from anywhere, any department, for any time, anywhere. Okay, even there were branches at US, one branch is UK, it's also integrated. Okay, any branch, how many number of branches can be integrated into one single system. Okay, so that this is a system. If we are, due to this globalization and liberalization of these organizations, we can establish your company in any place, and so that we can integrate the same departments into one single system. If this Swati is reporting it as HR manager at UK, and that company is also having this operations at US also, they will see when she has reported. Okay, this integration part is there. That part can be taken by the VPN, Virtual Private Networking System. Okay, through that system, that all the department and functions will be integrated. And what are the subjects to be explained in the SAP? I will explain. Before going to that, what are the roles are there? Yes, some of the roles are there, SAP, and what is the technical role, and techno-functional, and functional. Here the technical role again divided into two types. One is ABAP. This is a SAP's proprietary language where you can go for reports and interfaces, conversations, forms, enhancements of this. Here you can write the program of ABAP. This is ABAP. AB, Advanced Business Applications 4 version. Here this is technical functional consultant. We can customize the screens only under the functional consultant. The SAP HR is one kind of functional consultant, so that we can customize the tables. You need not to write anything program like ABAP. Okay. In every project there are ABAP will be there, basis people will be there, and functional people will be there. And functional people will go for customization as per the blueprint, as per the requirement of the company. And I said you can see the information from anywhere to anywhere, but it is also not appropriate to see the information by anybody. That's why this basis people give authorization, limitations, okay, so that such a people, those having the authorizations and limitations, they can see only their screens only. For example, HR people working in the HR department, they can see all the master data of their employees, but not going to see the material management, how the material is there. Otherwise, sales, how many orders are there? No, we need not to see. We can have only accessibility to your HR department one. That's authorization will be given by this basis people. Okay, these are the main important roles. One is technical role, one is basis, and one is functional. And also those having this technical and functional role, they are called as ABAPers. Here is the ABAPers knowledge will be there, and functional consultants knowledge will be there. The latest one, that is a techno-functional consultants. Here, regarding this HR department, the implementation of HR, why you are SAP HR needed actually, you can implement all the important legal interface and starter of provisions and run the payroll for accuracy and accurate people for their work done. And you have to send the payables to the finance department and onward transmission to the bank. Okay. Here, these SAP contents are there. One is SAP methodology, that is a roadmap, that is how to implement the SAP. Okay, what are the steps to be taken for the SAP? There are 5 steps. One is project confirmation and preparation of blueprints and implement configuration and final preparation and go live. Okay. And second one is HR structures you can create. This also can be created based on your blueprint, and how many departments are there, and how many personal areas are there, and what are the employee groups are there, employee subgroups are there. And you have to create this. And organization management, this is the reporting structure between the objects. That's top to lower management, lower to top management. And you have to create your infrastructure and to give the authorization, the linking between these objects. That's the evolution part. That's the relation between the two objects. Okay. And you can also create your organized chart and operating system here. Okay. And here this third one is recruitment is a normal recruitment where we can see this recruitment, and you have to take the requirement from the organization and go for the search the people like requirements and applicants, and to obtain the applications and fill up the applications and give the application numbers each and every department and segregate the department wise and give the numbers. Based on the numbers of applications, go for recruitment, and recruitment can be seen in the personal administration. The personal administration where you can maintain the master data of an employee. Okay. And you can see we have your info types. They are storing units, and each and every information will be stored some unit. They are called as info types. Okay. The next, payroll. The payroll is a very good important element in the entire SAP HR contents, and we can run the payroll for each and every employee and for their work. Okay. And we can create here how many wage types are there, and how many personal areas there, levels and grades and areas and pay scale types. And next one is our time management. Time management is very, very important. This is where we can see this all work schedules. Work schedules nothing but number of hours to be performed by the employee. There may be some period work schedules, monthly work schedules, and interlinking between the payroll and time. Okay. Personal development is one kind of appraisals, and benefits is benefits exclusively linked to the US payroll, and other payroll there are no any benefits, but exclusively in US payroll the benefits are there. That is medical benefit, insurance benefit, and stock broking benefits are there. Likewise, last one is the LSMW. LSMW is a tool to migrate the old information into SAP. If they have master data in the other software, that can be transferred into SAP. You need not to write all the 20,000 employees. If they all the information you transfer, whatever the information they have in the other software into SAP, you can transfer. This is a tool to migrate the information from non-SAP to SAP. Okay, Vaishali, Swati, yeah, tell me any questions here. Yeah, regarding this.
Course, yes, after the course, do you go for placements as well? Will you get us placed?
Yeah, you can ask this institute, that is MAPS training. But regarding I'm only I'm this faculty where I can see to complete all these things. Okay, but as far as my concern, I will give some of the material on this and the short notes on this, and you can prepare well for the interview. And also I will give some important transaction codes tables which are important for interview. And I will also see that your CV will be updated based on market standards. And regarding these placements, you can see this SAP HR Max Training Institute.
And for how long do you give us the access to the materials, the software to use?
Yeah, software will be provided with this institute. We ask that people.
For how long do you provide access? For how many months or days?
Yeah, actually this course having the 40 classes, nearly you can say this up